Question 33. We have that diagram shown, and all the information written here are already illustrated on this diagram. Let's draw the diagram more clearly. Let's draw it more clearly. The diagram, and from this diagram we can deduce certain things. So starting, if we consider this line PR, and then we look at the lower side of it like this, all these angles we add up to 180 because they are on the straight line, 2m, n, and 3n minus 20. So I start by saying angle 2m plus angle n plus angle 3n minus 20 will be equal to 180. This because these are sum of angles on straight line PR. Yes. Now opening this bracket, you have 2m plus n plus 3n minus 20 is 180. That's going to be 2m plus 4n. You take 20 to that side, we're going to have plus 20. 2m plus 4n is now 200. We can divide through by 2. Divide this one by 2. Divide this one by 2. Divide this one by 2. We're going to have m plus 2n is equal to 100. Let's keep that equation. We're going to refer to it later. Then also look at this line QT. This line QT, on the left hand side of it, the left hand side, we have 2m, m, and 90 all on this straight line. The addition is going to be 180 also. I write that also. 2m plus m plus 90 is 180. That's because they are sum of angles on straight line QT, left hand side of QT. And if we do this, 3m plus 90 is 180, and 3m is going to be 180 minus 90, which is 90 degrees. So m will be 90 over 3, which is 30 degrees. M is 30 degrees. If m is 30 degrees, let's visit this place. M plus 2n is 100, and this one is 30, is equal to 100. 2n is now 100 minus 3 minus 30. N will now be 70 over 2. N is going to be 35 degrees, which is option A.